Did you know that Microsoft Excel, the popular spreadsheet software package, was initially created for Apple Macintosh? Sounds weird since both companies compete against each other. But here's the deal. Excel was created specifically for graphical user interface operating system, the one with graphical desktop, small icons and multiple windows. Well, back in 1985, Windows did not exist, and Apple Macintosh was literally the only computer with graphical user interface in the market. So, having not much choice, a group of developers in Microsoft developed Excel for Apple Macintosh. 2 years later, Microsoft released Windows, and Excel was developed for Windows. Well, the version 2 was. Version 1 never existed for Windows.